1, 2, and 3. Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be building our cabinet, which is going to go right on top of our counter space and sink area. We're using the old baseboard of our bed to cut into the cabinet. We're going to make a cabinet out of our old baseboard of our bed. We don't have any fancy woodworking tools to build our cabinet, so we're just using a regular drill to screw in all of our screws for the cabinet, and some hammer, some nails, and wood glue, and let's see how it turns out. It's pretty, honey. It's beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Can't wait till it's finished.
So we gotta cover all this inside. So.
And our lights are gonna go underneath the
lights right here.
I can't wait. Let's go get some lights.
Oh, that look normal.
Looks good.
I still have to trim all these caps.
We're covering up the screw holes again, like we did on the bottom.
I'll sand it later.
Covering it with wood fillers. We just found some really nice piece of wood and glue it to the back on the inside of the cabinet. It kind of covers up the ugly parts of it. The wood wasn't that pretty, but we made the inside of the cabinet look better by gluing that piece of wood inside the cabinet. What are you doing?
So we're gonna trim this, but we're gonna give it a clean look without no screws or nails.
I cut a few pieces of little tiny block of wood to fill in the gaps in between our bed slide. It was looking kind of off because it wasn't like uniform and smooth all the way through, so I kind of fill in the gaps with these little blocks. It made it look much better and more neat. I'll show you later on. We used a simple plywood, a much thinner one, and cut it to size for our cabinet doors. We're thinking about leaving it natural because I like the way natural wood looks, and then put some fancy nice looking black handles on them, and it kind of made the cabinet pop a little bit. Our hinges were black as well to match all of our handles and our sink.
Just gotta put some magnets in. Put a few magnets in there and hold it tight while you're driving, then it won't. There you go.
We installed some lights underneath the cabinet, more lighting in the sink area when we're washing dishes and stuff. But our lights are not connected to our solar. At first we were thinking about connecting it to our battery, but instead I think we're going to use that connection for our USB, and our lights underneath our cabinets are rechargeable batteries, and they're pretty bright. They're LEDs. The battery's still on the side.
Yeah.
The next day I finish off sanding the area where I fill in with the wood putty, the wood fillers to cover up the screw holes. Kind of sand it down smooth. Thinking about maybe leaving it that way or possibly staining it to kind of blend in with the rest of the wood. So I've already sanded everything down from the last time I wood putty the backsplash. What's it called again? What's it called again? Huh? What's it called? What's this thing called over here?
Huh?
This thing. Huh? Hello, I'm recording. What's it called?
Putty.
No, this.
Huh?
This.
Trim. Backsplash trim.
So I've already sanded the backsplash trimming on top of the counter space that I put the wood fillers in last time. So today I'm going to use my black grout pen. I'm going to grout the back of the tile. Let's check it out. Using some. What do you think? You don't think that looks funny? If you think we can, if we don't like it, we can actually regrout it back white. What do you guys think? Does that look okay? You don't think it looks funny?
Yeah, because that grout pen is gonna look like you drew on it. That's why I didn't really want to use it. You want to go cheap and you do it like that. Like they say, cheap's not always good.
How you fix it later?
Oh, maybe clean it. I never used it before.
I never used it before too. I don't know. We might keep it. Or we might change our mind.
All they had to do is this, like that. That's it. That's all they had to do and rub it off.
So I guess he doesn't like it. I thought it looked alright. It wasn't too bad. So he's gonna cover it back up again. Too bad. I tried. I thought it looked good though. I don't know, maybe I was doing it wrong, so let me know what you guys think about this grout pen. I thought it looked okay. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.